Lens tool in Android smartphones. Now, what is a Google Lens tool? It is an AI based tool that is used to copy the text, translate the text, or Google search the text from the images. Now, what you have to do, as you know, all the downloaded images or the pictures is stored in the Google Photos folder that you have downloaded from Facebook, email, or WhatsApp. Now, open the Google Photos, open your images. Suppose I have selected this image, and at the bottom you will find the Google Lens option. Tap on it. So when the Google Lens is started observing the text, it will highlight the text. Now what you have to do, suppose I want to listen to the text, that what it is written, so I have to select the text, and at the bottom you will find the listen option. Tap on it.
Claws, powder and arms, magic circle.
So in this way you can listen to your text. You can select all the text also, and you can press on the listen button. Now suppose I want to translate the selected text, so you can choose the translate option. Now tap on the translate option, select the language on which you want the translation. So as you can see, the text is translated. Now the next thing that you can perform with the Google Lens is the Google search. Now again select the text that you want to search. Suppose I want to select this text, and after selecting the text, select the Google search option. Now as you can see, it will open all the links of the selected text. Now you can go back, and you can also identify the images. Now how you can do? Again tap on the Google Lens. It will give you the description of the object with the similar images that the Google Lens has recognized. Now the next thing you do with the images, suppose this is an image file and I want to copy all the text to a notepad editor or any text editor. Now what I'll do, tap on the Google Lens, select the text that you want to copy. Suppose this text I want to copy, whole text. Okay. Now at the bottom you will find the copy text option. Click on it and open any notepad, or if you want to copy to the Facebook or you want to copy to the WhatsApp, you can copy it. Now I have opened an editor, and in this I have pasted the text that I have copied with the help of Google Lens. So in this way the Google Lens tool can be used. You can also use Google Lens from the Google Assistant. Now open the Google Assistant by holding the menu button. When the Google Assistant has opened, at the bottom you can find the Google Lens icon. Tap on it. Suppose I want to read a text from the book, and I want to copy that text from the book to some application. Now when the Google Lens is open, tap on the screen, hold your or place your camera properly so that it can select the text. Now after selecting the text, you have to tap on the screen. So it will take the image. Now you can select the image or the text that you want to copy or you want to translate. Suppose I want to copy this text, so what I'll do, I'll use the copy option and paste on the application where I want to paste it. So in this way you can paste the text selected from the image that the Google Lens has taken. Now in the same way you can translate the text, or you can Google search the text also. Suppose I want to Google search this part of this image or this text of the image. Now at the bottom you will find the Google search option. Click on it. So it will give you the result of the search text. So this is all about Google Lens. You can also open the Google Lens from the Google Assistant's voice command. What you have to do? Open the Google Assistant and select the voice command, and you have to speak Google Lens. So this is all about the tutorial of Google Lens. I hope you like it.